In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Chrome extension into Brave browser. If you're looking to enhance your browsing experience with additional features and tools, Chrome extensions are a great way to do it. Since Brave browser is built on the same Chromium foundation as Google Chrome, it supports a vast library of Chrome extensions. Whether you want to improve productivity, strengthen security, customize your browser, or add useful functionality, importing extensions into Brave is a quick and straightforward process. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. To begin, launch the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the main menu icon. Click on it to reveal a list of browser options and settings. From the menu, locate and select Extensions. This will take you to the area where Brave allows you to view, manage, and organize all installed browser extensions. After arriving at the Extensions page, scroll through the available options until you find the link that allows you to visit the Chrome Web Store. Click on it to open the store in a new tab. The reason we're using the Chrome Web Store is because Brave is compatible with Chrome extensions. This compatibility gives Brave users access to thousands of tools and utilities that can help improve their browsing experience without requiring any additional software. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, use the search bar to find the extension you'd like to add. Simply type the name of the extension into the search field and press Enter. The store will display matching results based on your search. When you find the extension you want, click on its listing to open its information page. Here, you'll be able to view details about the extension, including its features, ratings, and functionality. To add the extension to Brave, click the button labeled Add to Chrome. Even though you're using Brave browser, this option works exactly the same way because both browsers share the same extension framework. A confirmation window will appear asking whether you'd like to proceed. Review the permissions if desired, then click Add Extension. Brave will begin importing the extension and adding it to your browser. Once the process is complete, you can manage the extension by clicking the puzzle-shaped Extensions icon near the top right corner of the browser window. This area displays all currently installed extensions. If you'd like quicker access to a particular extension, locate it in the list and click the pin icon next to its name. This will place the extension directly on your browser toolbar for convenient access whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.